eat a lot of oatmeal in our family. Cereal is just too sugary and the good cereal is too expensive, so we've moved to oatmeal, and it can get a little boring. So in order to entice them to eat it, I created a recipe that is inspired by no-bake cookies. And all you need is cocoa powder or cacao powder, peanut butter, and honey. And you can also add shredded coconut if you would like that, and some salt. And this is now Ian's favorite oatmeal that he eats pretty much every day. So I'll have him show you how to make it. Enjoy!
So first you put a half of cup of oatmeal into a bowl. And then, once the water is done heating, you put another half of a cup of hot water, and then you can put a little bit more too. Then you put some kind of covering over it. I used a plastic plate, and then you set a timer for 10 minutes. Then you just do whatever you do to pass the time. Usually puppy works best. Once the timer is finally up, you take the lid off, and you follow these steps. You grab a spoon, and you get a spoonful of cacao powder. And then you get another spoonful of peanut butter and put it in. Finally, you get a spoonful of honey. Then last but not least, you stir it up. Usually it's not going to mix very well, so you can add some hot water. It'll help it.
All done.
And then you enjoy it.